In this lesson, I will show you how to create your own GIF. First, go to Google Slide. Open a blank slide. Change the layout to blank and insert an image. I would like a neuron. There's a faster way to do this, where you can actually select from background. If I clicked on background, I could choose an image. But when I did that with my neuron, I found that it distorted the image and stretched it out. So I'm just gonna insert it and leave it square-shaped. Now I'm gonna change the background color. You can either do a solid or I think I'm gonna do a gradient. Oh, that's a little dark. Better so you can at least see the labels. Now I would like to add something that is gonna travel along the neuron. This is going to demonstrate how a nerve impulse travels down the neuron. You could choose any kind of an object. I am gonna choose my Bitmoji, because that is the way I rule. And I will make it smaller, maybe a little bigger. Then I'll just start it at one end. I need about 10 slides or so I'm gonna duplicate the slide, and each time just move my object down a little bit. As I start to move further away, I might start to make myself a little bit smaller, just to make it appear as though she's moving further away. I might also start changing the angle a little bit. And now I'm just gonna flip it. That's 10 slides. I am going to download as a PDF. Now I'm going to easygif.com. I'll click on the GIF maker. Now choose Files. Choose your file, upload and make GIF. Once it's loaded all the images, click on Make a GIF. And there you have it. Just don't forget to save it.